going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe, it is a Hungarian recipe. How to make pogacsa. This is the simplest pogacsa. Not using. There are many varieties of pogacsa or scones in Hungary, from bacon, crackling skin of pig, or the bacon is just totally different from the one that you can find in Canada or USA. And there's cheese and there's potato, but today it is using Turos, which is Hungarian cottage cheese. Basically, it's farmer's cheese. So again, today's recipe is pogacsa using Turos or farmer's cheese, cottage cheese, and it is using baking powder as the leavening instead yeast. It's really simple to make and it's super yummy. The boys really like it. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye! This is 330 grams of enriched baking flour, baker's flour with quarter cup of skim milk powder, and half tablespoon plus half teaspoon of fine sea salt, and 1 heaping teaspoon of baking powder. We're just gonna mix this. Mix in about 1 tablespoon of dill wheat. You can use fresh one. Fresh one for sure would taste and smell much better than the dry one, but this is all I have. Again, this is 1 tablespoon of dill wheat. If you want stronger flavor and smell, use more. Now we're gonna add about 315 of cottage cheese, turo, Hungarian cottage cheese, and also a crack of 1 whole egg, and about 220 to 250 of butter. Now we're just gonna knead this until completely combined and becomes a nice dough. When it becomes a nice dough, we're gonna wrap it in with cling wrap, and then we're gonna chill it for at least an hour or 2. Take dough out of the fridge, and then we're gonna roll it flat. Once rolled, you can slice it into bite size, so it's all up to you. Or you can slice it a bit bigger than bite size. Again, it's all up to you. But once we slice like this, we're gonna brush it with beaten egg. You can also brush it first with beaten egg before you slice it, whichever you find it more convenient to do for you. Like so. You can just use yolk if you want, or egg white only, or the whole egg. It's up to you. If you use yolk only, it will be nicely yellowish or nice golden when you bake it. You can sprinkle it with whatever you like: sesame seed, poppy seed, caraway seed, but maybe it will be clash with the dill if it's caraway. Maybe it will be nice, you never know. Or cheese, grated cheese, it's up to you. Or sesame seed again, which I already mentioned, or poppy seed. I have some coarse sea salt, so I'm sprinkling that with my sesame seed. We're gonna bake it at preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Take out pan from the oven and let it cool completely. They are obviously good while still warm. They are the best while still warm, but it's too hot. So you want to cool it or slightly or completely. It's up to you. You can serve it right away, of course, again too hot, or you can serve it at room temperature. They are so good. This is so good. Crunchy from the outside and soft in the center. It's so good.